TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from the shores of Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 2 p.m. update, and currently we've got all the U.S. indices trading to the upside. The Dow is up 346, the S&P is 25, NASDAQ 191, Russell's up 23, Semi's up 47. That's about 1.5% to the upside. Let's begin by looking at our let's go look at these charts. Let's go look at our, where are they? That's pretty weird. Let's try this chart. See what happens here. There we go. So we're going to go take a look at some of our the index ETFs and the sectors within inside the S&P 500. If you take a look at the QQQ series ETF, that's in your very upper left-hand panel out here. No topping signal other than it is entered potentially wave number 7. That is letter G. That can continue on while price continues to move higher. We know it's in an A to B equals CD to the upside. So much like the NQ, what you'd be watching for is a bearish reversal candle to signal at least a short-term top. We don't have that in place as we speak right now, therefore no top. If we take a look at, let's get rid of that. Let's take a look at the SPYs out here. The SPYs, if they close above, really the SPYs, if they close above the top of their profile out here, and that profile level is 425.46, you're 425.16 right now, that says it wants to continue to move to the upside. The XLK, much like the NQ, much like the QQQ, the only topping signal here is wave number 7. That is letter G on our screen out there. And if we do get that as a confirmation, meaning a lower high tomorrow, price just simply will pull back or should pull back to its oscillator and change line, around 143 and change out there. The XLB, the healthcare sector, you can see 2 Rhodes Momentum Indicator tops, maybe a third one that forms today. Depends on the candle close out here. If you look at the diamond, so if the Dow, if this is just a counter trend rally, we always have to assume that it could be. This is where the Dow would begin to poop out. What do you mean, Steve-O? Well, if you take a look at the Dow Diamonds, forms a nice TD9 count bottom, ready to break out level of support, and now it has bounced back to its oscillator and change line. So if this is where it's going to turn, this is where it would turn. If price closes above that oscillator and change line, and for our purposes, let's just call it 342.66, even though that's not the number, but that's what we're going to call it. That would then signal a continued move higher. The IWM, it's up above Stevie's green line. No topping signal in place at the moment. Says it wants to move higher. The XLF, a nice TD9 count bottom, should target 36.89. That's where its battleground is. Folks, stay tuned for the Power Trading Hour. Your buddy David White, he's up next. After that, Tom O'Brien to take us on home. Have a terrific Thursday, folks. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow on Fantastic Friday.